After nearly 90 years of expertise in the woodworking business, Delta Power Equipment Corporation has become one of the most revered brands in woodworking tools today. Delta Power Equipment Corporation focuses on innovations to help the woodworker create masterpieces easier and with more precision. The company designs, manufacture, and distribute a variety of stationary woodworking tools including electric table saws, band saws, radial arm saws, scroll saws, drilling machines, jointers, planers, mortisers, lathes, grinders, and dust collectors for professional and advanced woodworking markets. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Low vibration, heavy-duty construction. The dual parallel link arm reduces vibration and noise, keeping the blade perpendicular to the work surface, dramatically reducing over or undercutting, improving accuracy and cut quality. This low vibration scroll saw improves user sensitivity, allowing you to make more precision cuts. Number 2. Loaded with features. Electronic variable speed can be adjusted from 400 to 1750 SPM, providing you ultimate control. The upper arm lifts and locks in the raised position during blade changes or while adjusting the blade position for fretwork. On-off switch. Electronic variable speed dial, flexible dust blower, and blade tensioning lever are all conveniently located up front on the arm for easy accessibility, while the tool-free blade tensioning allows for quickly adjusting the blade to the proper tension, which maximizes blade life and accuracy. Number 3. Enormous capacity. Huge 20 inches by 2 1/8 inches capacity with 24 inches by 16 inches table allow you to handle large projects. A 3/4 inches stroke allows this saw to cut aggressively for those nice clean cuts. Number 4. Tool-free blade clamp allows for quick, easy blade changes in seconds. Bevels 0 to 45 degrees left and right. Motor 1.3 amp. Number 5. On-tool blade storage area provides neat, organized protection for scroll saw blades, includes 2 straight blades, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.